In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Audible app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get the right version of Audible app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and search for this app in your Google Play Store. So for my case, I'll go ahead and look for Google Play Store, and here it is, and tap on it, and we have an option to search for the app here. So I'll search Audible by just the word like that, and then search it, and you'll find the app here. To know that it's the right app, make sure it is from Audible niche. And at the time of recording, this app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 1 million reviews and with over 100 million downloads. So from here, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Audible audio entertainment app and install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, proceed and tap on open, and this is the welcoming interface. Sign in to start using it. So that's how you can download the latest version or the right Audible app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.